So, once again, hello. I'm Prala May Espinola, Executive Director for Python Asia organization. And it's a wonderful to be here at PyCon Davao. This is a celebration of how Python community in the Philippines continues to grow. So my own story as well began here in Mindanao. So being part of this moment feels deeply meaningful as well for me. So today, I want to share how my journey from a small local meetup in Cagayan de Oro to helping connect communities across Asia. The continues to shape what we're building together through one shared language, Python. So connecting communities, sharing stories, building the future together. This phrase captures what Python Asia organization, uh, PyPAU's purpose. We connect communities to ones that once work independently. We share stories so ideas travel faster than borders. And we build the future together, carefully, collaboratively, and with intention. So Python Asia organization is a bridge in progress. Every connection, every shared lessons make the bridge stronger. So who am I? I'm the executive director and board member of Python Asia organization and the lead organizer for Django Girls Cagayan de Oro. Outside of community work, I'm a coffee lover. Pistachio lattes are my favorite, and I enjoy DIY crafting during quiet weekends. So my journey in the Python community began right here in Mindanao. I first joined as an attendee at the Paichada meetup. Paichada is the Python user group in Cagayan de Oro. In 2017, I volunteered at the first PyCon PH in Mindanao, held at Cagayan de Oro as well. That event changed how I saw community. It showed me the most powerful thing we build with Python isn't just software, but also human connection. So here's my journey. After that PyCon, I kept showing up. I organized the first Django Girls CDO that the same year. So 2017 is the first PyCon held in Mindanao, PyCon PH, held in CDO. And then a few months after that one, I organized the first Django Girls in Cagayan de Oro the same year. Seeing women write their first line of code and then teach others reminded me how empowering community can be. So over time, I became part of Python PH as well, joined the Kaizen, the core volunteer group of Python PH, serve as also a board member and a director of outreach and diversity for Python PH. And then last year, I stepped into a regional role as the executive director and board member of Python Asia organization. So from attendee to organizer to a leader, my path has always been guided by collaboration. So across Asia, Python communities are thriving. Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Thailand, and also the Philippines. Each one has its own character and rhythm. And even though we speak different languages and come from different cultures, we share the one language, and that is Python. That language bridge ideas, encourage learning, and connect us beyond geography. So we have the PyCon Indonesia. This is Kiwi Python. PyCon Malaysia, PyCon Davao, PyCon Thailand, PyCon Hong Kong, Python Singapore, Taiwan, Malaysia, Korea, Singapore, and also the PyCon APAC that was held last March here in the Philippines. So the gaps we saw. As our community grew, familiar challenges appeared. Limited regional collaboration, few mentorship opportunities and funding channels. Organizers are rebuilding the same structure every year, volunteer fatigue after each big event. So we weren't lacking in passion. we were lacking in a framework. The question become how can we make collaboration easier and more sustainable? So the turning point, why POW was born. That question became a certain shared conversation among community leaders across Asia during PyCon APAC. It was way back, like 2017, 2018. It's way back. It's an ongoing conversation among community leaders. They compared notes, shared frustrations, and realized we were all facing similar issues: isolation, limited support, and inconsistent continuity. So sometimes the PyCon event stopped that particular year because they lack of resources or sponsorship, they like lack volunteers as well. So that's a common problem or frustrations for these community leaders. From those discussions came the idea of forming a regional organization that could connect, coordinate, and empower local communities. That's how the Python Asia organization, or POW in short, came to life, built by volunteers and also for volunteers. So, way back, these particular leaders are already part of PyCon Asia Pacific. So they rebranded and then renamed to a rebranded and renamed it to Python Asia organization as a framework already. So it's still developing. So what is POW? The Python Asia organization is a nonprofit based in Estonia, created to strengthen collaboration among Python communities in East and Southeast Asia. We support regional events, assist local PyCons, and maintain shared resources like branding, sponsorship, templates, and also documentation. We also oversee the Python Asia Conference Series, ensuring continuity and collaboration between host countries. So our goal is simple: make growth easier, cooperation smoother, and transition sustainability. So that's the main simple goal of POW. Make growth easier, cooperation smoother, and also transition sustainability. So our mission is to promote, protect, and advance Python while fostering a diverse and thriving community across Asia. If you're wondering why this phrase is similar, this is similar mission for Python Software Foundation, the main foundation under the Python programming language. To make that real, we focus on three things: um, infrastructure, creating systems and documentations that communities can reuse; capacity building, support organizers and emerging leaders through training and mentorship; and also representation, giving Asian communities a stronger collective voice on the global stage. As we are bringing Python Asia organization to PyCon US, EuroPython, and also the PyCon Africa. So what we stand for, POW stands on four guiding principles. Empower local leaders. Strong local leadership sustains the movement. Share knowledge and resources. Collaboration saves time and multiple impacts. Build cross-border connections. Our diversity is our strength. And also ensure community sustainability. Communities should outlast any any one individual. So this principle keep us aligned even as we grow across cultures and time zones. So here are our founding team. POW was founded by community builders from across Asia. We believe in collective growth. So we came from different countries and backgrounds, but we shared one idea: the collaboration should be built into how we operate, not left the chance. So Iqbal is the founder and also representative director. Manabuti, he's from PyCon Malaysia as well, but living already in PyCon Japan. Manabo Tirada is founder and board member and also a board member of PyCon Japan Association. Kwan Hanbei, founder and board member from PyCon Korea, and also me, executive director, and also newly boarded as a board member. So the change, how we started making impact. So our early steps focus on building structure. So supporting PyCon APAC 2025 in PH, opening GitHub sponsors in the for sustainability, working with the Python Software Foundation as well to align regional grants. Creating unified templates and brand materials, each milestone may seem small, but together they form the backbone of how we collaborate. So we're still in progress on creating those templates, documents to have to share to the community as well. So here's a network across border. Today, those structures are connecting real people. So communities across Asia are now sharing speakers, content, and experiences. So here are our starter gold sponsors from Japan, Henge, and also Python ED. Also, our gold sponsor, Python Software Foundation, and also Python PH is one of our silver sponsors as well. So yeah, thank you for this community and company uh, to help to help sustain the operations for Python Asia. And also we have GitHub continuous individual sponsors. So these are the faces of the sponsor, individual sponsor contributing to Python Asia organization. And if you want to have the Python Asia logo part of your GitHub profile, you can donate. You can check out the Python Asia organization GitHub sponsor. You can donate any amount, and then you can have that emblem added to your GitHub profile. So lessons and challenges. Collaboration is rewarding, but it's not easy. Time zones, funding constraint, and cultural differences keep us humble and adaptable. So sometimes we miscommunicate as well because we deliver like we have the same goal, the same idea, but the way we deliver or the way we discuss it with someone, it creates miscommunications. So it's also hard. What helps us move forward is clear communication. So we need to be clear on that. Empathy and shared ownership. Sorry. So we need to be empathize to other people. Also think that, yeah, maybe this is just a miscommunication or something more, because we only have one the same goal, right? So we've learned that sustainable collaboration isn't about speed. It's about consistency, and also trust. So we're entering the chapter two, so the future building forward, the phase two. So our journey expanding programs and deepening support. So we sustain and innovate, and then in 2026 is our first regional conference. So a shared experiment for Asia as well. So we have the upcoming charity talks, Python Asia Online Charity Talk. So it's on January 31, 2026, and it's online, Zoom, and also YouTube Live. So we already have confirmed speakers. Also one of the Daniel Rayfield is one of our speakers for the upcoming online charity talks already. So he already confirmed. And then for the next year, we will not be having PyCon APAC. PyCon APAC ended already in 2025. And we will gonna be rebranding the conference to Python Asia 2026. So this will gonna be on March 21 to 23 in De La Salle University. Sorry. In De La Salle University. So, if you can see that nurturing community, di ko siya mabasa, sorry. Pero yun yung tagline. The same heart of Python APAC now as Python Asia. So POW is growing, so you can join us. We are expanding our reach and need your support to make it happen. Help us bring our community to the global stage. Collaboration across Asia is essential, and we are committed to strengthening our connection with the Python Software Foundation and also PyCon communities worldwide. At the same time, stabilizing our organization and securing sustainability funding is a key priority for now, so your involvement can help shape the future for Python in our region as well. So you can join us in Discord. If you want to learn more updates, you can scan this QR. And if you want to have the GitHub sponsor, you can scan this QR as well. You can just donate $1, $5, then you can have that emblem. So sa isa ra ka like matcha drink, i-sacrifice na lang ninyong isa ka matcha drink sa isa ka bulan. Di ba? At least. And then call for sponsors. So please email sponsor at Python Asia if you are interested to sponsor Python Asia and also the upcoming Python Asia 2026 Philippines. And you can follow us in social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or you can just search Python Asia organization. And thank you, and that's it. And also, I'll end with this thought. PyCon Davao exists because people cared enough to make it happen. That same spirit drives POW, people from different countries and backgrounds who share one common language, the Python. Through that shared language, we connect, learn, and build bridges that go beyond technology. So POW Stories is still unfolding, and I hope you'll be part of its next chapter and also for PyCon Davao. Thank you.